Hello, in this video I am going to continue with the problem of JEE Mains 2020 September 2 Shift 1 paper. Okay, so physics paper basically. So now proceeding to question number 15, you can see that this is the question from dimension. Okay, unit and dimension. So just see it. So it is given that force, velocity and area is considered as a fundamental physical quantity. Then find the dimensional formula of Young modulus of elasticity. So you know that y equals to F stress by strain delta L by L, and you know strain is a dimensionless quantity. So dimension is basically this dimension of this is basically dimension provided by this, and now these two are a fundamental physical quantity. So you can write it as F1 A inverse 1, correct? And you know there is no velocity dimension in this formula, so V will be 0. So dimension of Young modulus will be F1 A inverse 1 V 0. So this is the easiest question, okay, of modulus of elasticity, and this is the question of dimension actually. Okay, now moving to the next question. Okay, so this is the question of internal energy, or you can say that KTG, kinetic theory of gases. Okay, so in this question it is given that 3 mole of oxygen is mixed with 5 mole of argon at temperature T. Find the total internal energy of the system. Okay, so the internal energy of oxygen is degree of freedom by 2, okay, into R into T. This is for 1 mole, okay, for any gas, and degree of freedom for diatomic is 5. So for O2, 1 mole O2, it will be 5 by 2 RT. So 3 mole O2 means 3 into 5 by 2 RT. Okay, so this is the internal energy of oxygen. Internal energy for oxygen 3 mole equals to 15 by 2 RT. Similarly for argon, so argon same, degree of freedom into R into T, okay, for 1 mole. So for 1 mole argon it will be degree of freedom of argon is 3, because it is a noble gas, okay, 3 by 2 RT. Okay, for 5 mole it will be 5 into 3 by 2 RT. So internal energy because of argon is 15 by 2 RT. Okay, now they are asking the total internal energy of the system. So system is because of this oxygen and argon. So now add it. System U due to oxygen plus U due to argon. U means internal energy, just a symbol. So 15 by 2 RT plus 15 by 2 RT. It will become 30 by 2 RT. It means 15 RT. So the answer will be C, 15 RT. Okay. Now moving to the next question. Okay. So next question is of waves and oscillation. Okay, so it is a waves in string. So it is, you can see the question, fundamental frequency, okay, fundamental frequency of two identical string X and Y are 450 Hz and 300 Hz respectively. Find the ratio of the tension in the string X and Y. So identical means length of X equals to length of Y, mu of X equals to mu of Y. So we know that fundamental frequency is equals to 1 by 2 length under root T by mu, right? So for X, f of X equals to 1 by 2 Lx under root T by Tx by mu X, right? Similarly for f of Y, it will be 1 by 2 Ly under root Ty by mu y, sorry, not X. it will be mu y. Now we are taking the ratio. Okay, so f of x is 450 by f of y is 300, and you can see this is same, this is same, so under root t of x by t of y. Okay, so use it. Now square it. So 3 by 2 equals to t of x, t of y root. So squaring both sides, you will get t of x by ty equals to 9 by 4. Okay, so they are asking the ratio of tension in x and y, so tx by ty, so the answer will be 9 by 4. Okay, now moving to the next question. Okay, so you can see that paper was easy comparatively. Okay, so next question is from communication. Okay, so first see the question. Amplitude of a carrier wave and a message wave are 5 unit and 3 unit respectively. Then the ratio of maximum and minimum amplitude of the modulated wave. So what happened? Modulated wave equals to messenger wave plus carrier wave. Okay, so when you know that superposition of waves. Okay, superposition of wave. So when both omega for both are same and okay, phase difference is 0, it will be exactly the sum. So for A modulate for maximum, okay, omega is same, right, and phase difference is 0, it will become 5 unit plus 3 unit. This is in phase, that will be 8 unit. And if they are out of phase, then it will be minimum, and there must be subtracted. So 5 unit minus 3 unit equals to 2 unit. Okay, and they are asking of ratio of A modulated maximum by minimum, right? Then put the value 8 unit by 2 unit, it will be 4:1. So the ratio will be 4. The answer will be 4. I hope you understand these questions. These were very easy questions. Okay, and from book 2 of class 11th, if you are NCERT student or you have read NCERT book. Okay, so if you have any more doubt, you can ask it on www.jnveduhub.in. Okay, bye, thanks.